Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at how to remove all comments in Flutter Startup. I'll show you both Mac OS and Windows. So, let's get started. First of all, Mac OS. Run the Flutter Create to create a project. Then open the project using this window. Open the main.dat file in the lib folder. Let's remove all comments in this file. Now let's use the shortcut keys. First, Command Option F. Command Option R. Then type // The areas that match the regular expression are colored. Press the Tab key. Then Command Enter to execute the replacement. Command S to save the file. This is complete. All comment in the file has been removed. Next, about Windows. The process of creating a project is the same. Now let's use the shortcut keys. Ctrl H, Alt R, then // Press Tab key, Ctrl Alt Enter, Ctrl S. This is complete. All comments in the file has been removed. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe and good button. See you next time. ではまた次回。